Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. And if you're planning to go to a foreign country and you're preparing for IELTS, but at the moment IELTS is a big rock to break in your life, this video is going to work as an X. And that X is going to break this rock. And then there you are. Aeroplane, foreign country, beautiful life, everything you're going to achieve. Well guys, let me tell you one thing. These 2 months are the most important months of your life. You know, in our life, we've got turning points. And these turning points actually change our life. In our lives, we don't have many turning points. Once upon a time, there was a turning point in my life when I decided to learn and improve my English. At that time, I never knew what would happen in the future. How would English help me? My English used to be pathetic as it is now. But at that time, it was very pathetic. But, you know, I decided to learn English. One of my friends, I'm telling you about the power of turning point. One of my friends told me that he informed me that there are some spoken English classes somewhere, and why don't you come and we join the classes and you can learn to speak English. And I took interest. I learned English. I improved my English. That small decision of my life made my destiny today. My favorite motivational speaker, Anthony Robbins, he says, it is at the time of decisions that your destiny is made. IELTS is your decision. Clicking on this video was your decision. Now you're watching this video, this is your decision. Some of you will leave this video in the middle. Some of you will watch it till the end. And if you watch it till the end, please comment. I want to see how many participants are really serious. So I was talking to you about decision. IELTS is one of the decisions. With IELTS, there are 100 plus small decisions which you will have to make, and these decisions are going to form your destiny, and there you are, or there you will be in a foreign country with foreign currency in your wallet, with a new mobile, new clothes, new flat or apartment where you're going to live, new people all around you, new shopping malls, new roads. Everything is going to be wonderful if you are going to make few decisions which are related to IELTS. Decision number 1, say yes to IELTS for 2 to 3 months and say no to everything. Now when I say everything, that means all entertainment. Even you can say no to your girlfriend or boyfriend for the time being. Because IELTS is more important for you, and if you are engaged or you've got a relation, IELTS is important for both of you actually. This is going to change your life altogether. Let me tell you, some students find IELTS challenging. Okay, I accept. Those who belong to countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and some other countries, African countries, their English is not that good because education system is not that powerful and all that stuff. Their English is not that good, but IELTS provides you an opportunity to improve your English. I improved 70% of my English from IELTS. Yeah, 70% of my English. Before starting IELTS, before teaching IELTS, I wasn't aware of such type of things. But when I started teaching IELTS listening improved my English pronunciation a little, my understanding of English and all that stuff. IELTS reading improved my understanding of reading. IELTS writing helped me. IELTS speaking helped me. So IELTS itself provides you a platform where you can improve your English. But it is for you to work hard with IELTS. Again, I'm telling you, if in the past I would not have learned English, today you would never know about me. You would never know Asad Yaqub or, anything like that, YouTube channel or anything like that. So that was one decision. So your today's decision is going to influence your tomorrow. Imagine the kids you're going to have in the future. It depends on you whether those kids are born in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Ghana, Or these kids are going to come into this world in Canada, Australia, and by birth they will become Canadian, Australian. I mean, it's all in your hand. It's all in your control. Your today is going to make your children's tomorrow and their children's tomorrow and their children's tomorrow. So you need to pay the price. You know, one generation pays the price. Second generation enjoys. And third generation destroys. Okay, just joking, right? Anyways, I'm not a motivational speaker. I don't know how to motivate others, but these are some words which are coming directly from the bottom of my heart. You are my students. I want you to make difference in your life. And this difference is going to make all the difference in your family, in your surrounding, in your area, and in your country. Imagine when you're going to send foreign exchange to your country through Western Union, MoneyGram, RIA, or any other service like that, your country is going to make more progress. So, I mean, just I want you to look around the room where you're sitting now. Look around the room. Look around the room. Look at the fan. Look at the lights. Look at the floor. Look at the objects in the room. Would you like to be here forever? Just, look through the window. Look outside the door where you're sitting now. Do you want to die here? Do you want to be here forever? You're not going to make progress like many great people made in their lives who started from zero and ended at hero. Don't you want to do that? If you want to do that, I would say get up and do something. Because, on your shoulders, you've got heavy responsibilities. These are the responsibilities of the next 3-4 generations. These are the responsibilities of the people who are all around you, your parents, your siblings. If you are the eldest one, look at your younger siblings. Look at your father, look at your mother, how your mother works, how your father is struggling. So if you are going to value all these things, and if you want to pay back to these people who are movers and shakers of your life, this is your time now. Now is your time. This is the opportunity. IELTS is the opportunity. Present is the time to do something, and you're going to do it. Again, I'm telling you, after 5 years, all of us will be here. May God give you long life. After 5 years, all of us will be here. But some of us will be where they were 5 years before. And some of us will be at a different location, different place, different, status. Everything will be different. So in order to earn that status, you'll have to work hard. People look at me. At times, some people feel jealous of me. Some people envy me and all that. But they don't know the price I paid over the last 20 years. I've been paying that price to reach here. I did not get this thing by chance, by accident. I mean, my video did not go viral overnight, like I made a video or my video leaked and overnight I became popular with 1,200,000 subscribers and all that. I worked hard for it. I earned it. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. You should have patience. You should have perseverance to achieve your goals. And you should be stubborn. Stubborn person? For example, a child says, Daddy, I want to eat an ice cream. And Daddy says, under no condition, no one is going to have ice cream at all. And after 5 minutes, the same child is eating ice cream. He knows how to convince his father, right? So in the same way, you should know how to convince your father, and you are your own fathers actually. You are your own mothers. Because, we don't value parents that much now. We know how to cheat parents. And sometimes we disobey parents. I know most of you are obedient, but you are your responsibility. No one is your responsibility. Yeah, there can be people who are depending on you, but you are your responsibility, and your life is your responsibility. These movers and shakers are going to help you today. Your father is willing to pay your IELTS fee. Your mother is willing to support you to go to a foreign country. Your father is willing to sell any object. I know a guy who got 6.5 band in IELTS and he doesn't have enough money. Now his father is selling some property to give him money to go to Australia. See that these movers and shakers, your parents, your family, people around you will not be with you in the future. They are not going to be with you forever. So now you have all these advantages. When there are advantages, you need to make advantage of this situation. Today is the time. IELTS is the proper opportunity. Foreign education is the best choice for you, or immigration is the best choice for you. And then one day, after a couple of years, you will be relaxing somewhere in your favorite country, holding a Coke in your hand. Last time I talked about coffee, this time Coke in your hand. You would be sipping Coke and having a bite of pizza and looking back into the past when you were in your hometown and things were different, and then after 5 years in 2026 things would be different for you, and then you're going to text me and I'll be very, very happy. So guys, wake up, get up and get to work. There are great duties and these great duties are calling you. And Asad Yaqub is going to be your ringleader, your guide. My videos are going to be your success plan. And by the grace of Almighty God, you are going to be very successful. If you are watching this video until this point, please comment, because you are the guys who are literally serious to go to foreign countries. And I pray for you all that you reach your destination country ASAP. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. With sore throat, as I'm not a motivational speaker, I knew few words and I shared those words. As I mentioned before, these words did not come out of my brain. These words came out of my heart. So I wish you very best of luck. I wish you your destination country. Take care. Allah Hafiz.